This week's Bitcoin and Cryptoverse updates are packed with action as usual. Bitcoin's coiling up for its next big move. A legendary TradFi trader is making some huge bets, and the US election has everyone on edge. I'm your host, Corbin Fraser. Let's do this thing. So first off, a huge update from us here at Bitcoin.com. So we now support cross-chain swaps in as little as 3 seconds. That's right, a 3-second cross-chain swap. No more waiting around 20 minutes in agony while your crypto snails its way across a little lame bridge of unknown length and stability. Now anyone in the world, without creating an account and without asking for permission, can execute cross-chain swaps between EVM chains like Polygon, like Avalanche, like Ethereum, and it only takes seconds now. So check it out in the Bitcoin.com wallet app or on the web at Bitcoin.com's decentralized exchange Verse DEX. A huge shout out to the team at deBridge for powering this incredible tech that enables you to swap across chains quickly and without relying on centralized intermediaries. And that's what it's all about. So first up, legendary investor Tudor Jones is betting big on Bitcoin and gold, saying all roads lead to inflation. He shared that he's long on Bitcoin and commodities, ditching fixed income entirely. So with Bitcoin near its all-time high and inflation concerns rising, Jones believes hard assets are the way to go, especially as the US debt continues to balloon. Something to note is that when Tudor Jones shares his thoughts, the financial world pays very close attention. As the visionary behind Tudor Investment Corporation, Jones has consistently demonstrated a knack for forecasting market trends with precision. His latest caution on unsustainable US debt is very much worth noting. This week, Bitcoin has been moving within a range of mid to high 60K. It's in a bit of a holding pattern, showing signs of potential volatility ahead. After a drop from around 69,500, trading volume has dipped, raising concerns about some selling pressure. So while some indicators suggest a bullish outlook, the mixed signals mean traders should stay cautious. If Bitcoin can stay above $67,500 with solid volume, it could rally. But staying below that 66,500 might lead to more downward movement. So be on the lookout. But with the US election just around the corner, Bitcoin is hitting its highest price since July, and traders are buzzing about a potential God candle event if Trump wins. Speculation is that his victory could skyrocket Bitcoin prices, with predictions ranging from $90,000 per Bitcoin to even $125,000. While Trump's pro-crypto stance increases optimism, many think a Harris win could drag Bitcoin down, possibly as low as 30K. So the crypto community is very much on edge, anticipating some wild swings as the election unfolds, making it a pivotal moment for Bitcoin. Donald Trump is riding high on prediction markets, hitting a 62.6% chance of winning after serving fries at a McDonald's in Pennsylvania. So his antics were a playful jab at Kamala Harris, who claims to have worked there during college flipping burgers, but she's now at 37.5%, but Trump is leading in all key swing states as the election nears. Trump's visit to Mickey D's seems to have boosted his odds, while Harris still leads the popular vote. With under 2 weeks until election day, the race is heating up. Attempting to boost Kamala's ratings, Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen pledged $10 million in XRP to support her campaign, saying she's key to pushing American tech innovation, including crypto. Larsen has already donated about $1.9 million to Harris this year through political action committees or PACs. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse chimed in, emphasizing the need for pro-crypto policies regardless of party lines. So to counter this, Elon Musk launched a $1 million daily giveaway campaign, encouraging swing state residents to sign a petition supporting free speech and gun rights. The campaign, tied to his pro-Trump super PAC, aims to boost awareness before the election. Musk gave away the first $1 million at a rally in Pennsylvania, with plans to continue daily until the election. Moving on to the VC space, venture capital investment in crypto and blockchain startups took a hit in Q3 2024, dropping about 20% to around $2.4 billion. So this decline is linked to the rising popularity of Bitcoin ETFs, which offer an easier way for big investors to dive into crypto. So early stage startups still snag most of the funding, while interest in AI-focused crypto projects skyrocketed. Meanwhile, the Web3 NFT space saw a significant dip in VC deals. The US remains the top destination for crypto VC investment, followed by Singapore and the UK. A new report from Glassnode and Coinbase Institutional reveals that the crypto market is maturing as we enter Q4 2024. Despite some bouts of limited price movement, there are positive signs like increased stablecoin adoption, rising layer 2 activity, and more derivatives trading. So spot Bitcoin ETFs have drawn in nearly $60 billion, while stablecoins hit an all-time high supply of around $170 billion. So layer 2 solutions such as Arbitrum and Base, they're gaining traction thanks to lower fees after Ethereum's recent upgrade. So analysts are suggesting that now could be a good buying opportunity ahead of the next rally. And guess who's buying? Bitcoin ETFs are nearing a major milestone with 12 funds collectively holding almost 1 million BTC. They're just about 42,000 BTC short, worth $2.9 billion. Leading the pack are BlackRock, Grayscale, and Fidelity, with the top 3 ETFs holding over 100,000 BTC each. If the current pace continues, the 1 million BTC mark could be hit within a week. And another major milestone, Bitcoin's hash rate just smashed a new record, hitting 725.88 exahash per second. That's 725 quintillion calculations every second to secure the Bitcoin network. In the past year, the network's power surged by 62.55%, with mining pools like Foundry USA and Antpool leading the pack. Bitcoin's mining difficulty is also set to hit a new all-time high extremely soon here. So switching gears, and MicroStrategy co-founder Michael Saylor, he's been stirring up the Bitcoin community by criticizing the paranoid crypto-anarchists and downplaying the importance of self-custody in a potential Bitcoin seizure event. So he argued that regulated institutions like BlackRock or JP Morgan are safer custodians than individuals who disregard compliance. So Saylor's comments sparked backlash from Bitcoin advocates, with some accusing him of turning his back on the original Bitcoin ethos. And as Bitcoin self-custody discussions are heating up, concerns grow over centralized control. Coinbase now holds 11.72% of all Bitcoin in circulation, sparking fears of a potential honeypot. So with over 2.3 million BTC under Coinbase's care, valued around $156 billion, critics argue that such centralization poses serious risks, including cyber threats and government seizures. So Coinbase also handles exchange-traded products, or ETPs, such as US spot Bitcoin ETFs, and safeguards funds for the over-the-counter providers, as well as for big names such as Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even many Bitcoin miners. So self-custody advocates are urging people to take control of their assets to protect their financial freedom. And for our final story for this week, we have an announcement from World Foundation, the force behind WorldCoin, which, by the way, has ambitiously rebranded itself to simply World. So World Foundation has announced the launch of World Chain, and it's being billed as the blockchain for verified humans, as opposed to those pesky bots that dominate all these other chains. So verified users get gas-free transactions, and there's apparently already 15 million verified humans in the network, thanks to World Foundation's iris scanning onboarding efforts with that creepy silver globe that they were sending around. World Chain is built on the Optimism stack, meaning it's an Ethereum layer 2, and it has backing from major partners such as Alchemy and Uniswap. So World, the chain's token, again, they rebranded from WorldCoin. It's seen a 40% rise recently, although it's still down over 80% from the highs earlier this year, weighed down by relentless VC unlocks. And there you have it, folks. That's it for this week. Keep your eyes on the market, protect your assets. Go visit Bitcoin.com for the latest news and stay ahead of the game. Please like, follow, share, and catch you guys next time. Adios.